friends, it's Miss Heidi here. Today I'm going to show you how to do a science experiment that demonstrates buoyancy. I know that's a big word, but it's actually really simple. Buoyancy means an ability for something to float. Think about when you go to the swimming pool. If you jump in, you might sink to the bottom, but if your mom puts your air floaties on, what happens? You stay at the top, you float. It makes you more buoyant. So today, our experiment just uses some simple things that you probably already have in your house. You need some vinegar, you need some baking soda, a clear glass with water in it, and you need some small beans or peas. I am using lentils. They work really well. So I like to call this jumping beans. All right, so first thing you do is fill your glass with about a cup of water. And then we are going to stir in 1 teaspoonful of baking soda. Here we go. Put it in there. It'll look cloudy, but if you just mix it up, it'll become clear. There we go. That looks pretty good. Well, it might need to be mixed just a little bit more. All right. Now, in my little cup here, I have measured 2 tablespoons of vinegar. I have plain white vinegar here, but really any kind of vinegar will be fine. So I'm going to pour my vinegar in, and I'm going to hold this up close because you're going to see something happen. Look, you see bubbles? That's a chemical reaction creating carbon dioxide bubbles. All right, now here comes the fun part. I'm going to take a little handful of my lentil beans, and I am going to drop them in there. What is happening? Do you see them floating up to the top? Those peas are becoming buoyant. The little CO2 bubbles are attaching to them, and it makes them buoyant, and they float up to the top. Kind of like how your floaties make you float at the swimming pool. Pretty neat, huh? All right, super easy and fun to try at home. All right, friends, before I show you the experiment again up close, I thought I would show you what happens if you just drop the lentils into plain water. Here's my glass, no baking soda, no vinegar, so no carbon dioxide bubbles. Look what happens. They all just sink. They are not buoyant at all. All right, here is the up close experiment again. I've already stirred the baking soda into this glass of water, and now I'm going to add the vinegar. Watch for the carbon dioxide bubbles. All right, are you ready? We're going to drop in our lentils now. Look how quickly they become buoyant. All right, friends, I hope you have fun being scientists at home, and I hope you can try this experiment and learn about buoyancy. See you next time.